Good evening and welcome to 5MS Everything E-commerce, where we break down the hottest trends, innovation and updates in the e-commerce world. My name is Victoria.
And I'm Lila. Today we're diving into AI-powered ads, the evolving landscape of customer loyalty, and why brands might want to rethink their approach to keeping customers happy.
First up, let's talk about breaking barriers in digital advertising. AI-powered generative response ads are taking interactivity to the whole new level. Imagine this, shoppers can now have a real-time conversations directly with an ad. No landing pages, no clicks, just instant answers.
Developed by GMS, these ads promise a seamless interactive experience. Shoppers can ask questions, get personalised responses, and make decisions faster. Marina Petrova of GMS calls this a pivotal movement for digital advertising. And honestly, Victoria, I agree. Imagine never having to leave an ad to confirm a product detail.
Fewer clicks, more conversions, sounds like a win for everyone. Plus, these ads are tailored to each brand's tone, making them feel less robotic and more relatable.
Relatable ads! Next they'll be asking us how our day's going.
Hey, maybe that's the next step, ads that double as a therapy.
A recent SAP Ecommerce study revealed a major loyalty gap. 83% of UK consumers feel undervalued by their brands they're loyal to. That's right, loyal customers don't feel the love.
And this emotional disconnect could be costly. Retaining customers is 5 times cheaper than acquiring new ones. Brands need to step up their game with AI-driven personalization to make customers feel seen, valued, and let's be honest, appreciated.
So brands, here's a tip. Don't just remember our birthdays. Throw in free shipping, maybe a loyalty pack, and definitely a handwritten thank you note.
Handwritten, Lila. Let's not get carried away. In other news, Amazon is pushing forward with drone deliveries in the UK. The company is seeking approval for launch its Prime Air service from its Darlington warehouse, offering same-day deliveries within a 7.5-mile radius.
But before we all start looking up to the sky for incoming packages, Amazon still needs clearance from the Civil Aviation Authority and the local council. And given past drone crashes due to rain, let's just say the UK weather might be their biggest challenge yet.
So Amazon, if you're listening, maybe add waterproof drones to your R&D budget.
Local opinions are mixed. Some love the idea of faster deliveries, while others worry about job loss, and drones mistaking their garden for a landing zone.
We'll keep an eye on this one, but for now, it's drone deliveries coming soon. Maybe. Now, onto some important internal news. Yesterday at 5MS, we put our teamwork skills to the ultimate test with the chair building challenge.
Sounds simple, right? Except one person was blindfolded and the other had to guide them using only their voice. So basically, trust falls except with furniture.
And after some intense competition, Gabby and Sarah took the first place. If e-commerce ever fails us, at least we know they have a future in a blindfolded carpentry.
I, for one, am ready to start 5MS Furniture Solutions, coming soon to a Magento store near you.
That's all for this week on 5MS Everything E-commerce. Whether it's AI-powered ads, drone deliveries, or team building madness, we've got you covered.
We'll see you next week, same time, same place. And as always,
don't abandon those cards.